everybody. Today we are at Jim Chineri Ford in Moscow Mills, Missouri, and we're going to take a look at the Ford Pass Connect remote features. Today we're going to take a look at the remote start with calendar. You actually have the ability to schedule a remote start on your vehicle at any time of the day, every day of the week. So you're simply going to go to the Ford Pass Connect app, hit the vehicle details button. You will scroll down until you do see scheduled starts. Simply push that button, and it does allow you to schedule the start of your vehicle at any time of the day. So you simply put that into your calendar and your vehicle will start at that time. So it doesn't matter if your schedule's routine or chaotic, your vehicle will always be ready for you with the Ford Pass Connect remote features. To check out more of our exclusive content, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to our website, JimChineriFord.com.